Welcome back, everyone. Today I have another video, and this time is for Magellan. And boy, do I have a good one for you. And if I'm sorry if I mispronounce his name, you should already be used to by now. I do it all the time with names, so don't even do anything at the comments. Now, for this leader, so if you're gonna see the deck and you're gonna see like it looks kind of weird, but I promise you it works, and I promise you it's actually very strong. So the whole concept that I came up like that I'm trying to do, and you always want to go first with this leader. It is the best play pattern. Not to mean that it cannot go second, because it can. But going first is absolutely much better, of course. But so going back into the deck. So what is the idea of the deck? The idea is that you go in first. You get to play one of your three drops, which is Rhino or Sati, to play another GGL or Beast. Then you either get to play Magellan, which is already strong enough, or Missile Sunday, so you can ramp into Ura, or you can ramp into Kaido. One of the two is very good for the deck, and it's gonna allow you to exert a lot of pressure, and that's what you want to be doing with this leader, basically. And what's nice about this deck, and if you look at the math on the deck, how it works, is that you get to play this one first if you have both. You get to play this one first, then you get to play Missile Sunday, pressure with the leader and this one. And then the following turn, you get to play Kaido. And that's a really strong curve that basically is what gives you the... it's been giving me a lot of the matchups. Because then they have to destroy the minor Rhinoceros. They have to attack the Magellan, even if they don't want to. They have to do a lot of things to just try to keep you out of... Like, because the Kaido is going to exert a lot of pressure super early. And yeah, they're going to be -1 energy playing the whole... for most of the game. And this is a really hard card to remove early on. So, yeah, this card, absolutely MVP. And the combo, like how it's set up, is just very good. And if you are missing one or the other, at least you can play either the Missile Sunday or the Magellan. And you're going to feel fine because you're going to draw a card and ramp. Or you're going to minus the opponent's energy. And you have a threat that they cannot actually remove easily. Because if they do, they're going to lose more energy. And then you're absolutely okay with that. Now, I play Ura. You could decide not to play Ura. She was fine. She was really good because you can do a turn where you go Sati or Rhinoceros into Missile Sunday into Ura immediately if you don't have a Kaido, and then you get to do attack for 6 on everything, and you exert a lot of pressure on that turn, and that's a really good curve for what it's worth. So I like that curve going first. But yeah, I mean, that's what some of the things that you get to do with this leader, of course. And but it was super fun to play. So I would really recommend the deck. You can also add another 2K counter if you just want to just cut the Uras. You can play another Kaido, play another 2K counter, and call it a day. Kaido, I think, is one of the best cards in this leader. It just closes the game very quickly because they're gonna have a hard time removing Magellan. And if they don't remove it, you're going to be pressuring their leader a lot. And by the time Kaido comes down, it's going to be like the game ender. So in this leader, Kaido is just super important. And yeah, that's why I like the deck how it is. Now, I can combo more aggressively early on. I don't have to go too low in life total. Because I have Missile Sunday also as a refueling engine. I have 2 refueling engines, which is Missile Sunday and Minotauros. This guy. The Rhino, and you're gonna be able to just keep your hand size at all times. Maybe you can also try to fit in another Hell Judgment because it is very good in this deck, especially if you're taxing the opponent's energy every turn. It's gonna be really nice to stop like have the opponent just miss a complete turn in one of the turns, right? Yeah, I mean, can only say so many things good about the deck. You have to see it for yourself in the gameplay, or you have to try yourself on. With that being said, let's go and see it. Oh, Rebecca, I really wanted to play against this one. Oh, my hand is broken too. All right, let's go. Give me another one. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Let's go. Oh, this is going to be such a good matchup for me. I mean, the only answer they can play, for what it's worth, is the swords. Oh, this is gonna be such a good matchup here. Oh, I love it. They don't know what's coming. I'm not gonna attack with the Rhino just yet, I think. He comes with a 2k though. Because I don't want to give value to... Ooh, okay. I think I'm gonna play bombs after bombs after bombs. Oh, okay. I drew another one. Use action and then attack with the 6. Now this one cannot be KO'd by that one because he's gonna lose 2 energy. And trust me, he does not want to lose 2 energy. And we can attack with this one, like with 0 punishment because, yeah, exactly. Use this one. Attack double 6s because maybe we find the third one of these ones, in which case we're golden. Should have attacked with the creature first, just in case. We did. Oh, they're so dead. Then we have double Robin into like the big guys. It's just not shot. Oh, he's gonna KO it? There's no way. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, I'll take it. I'll definitely take it here. An attack for 7/7. Wait. Attack with this 7 first. He hasn't used the blocker, which is okay. We could play the Ura now. Oh, he's gonna KO it again. Oh my, yes. Heck yeah. He's never gonna be able to play a Luffy. How you gonna kill? You caught him, brother. You caught him. We got the last one. No way. Okay. Got to block this one. There's no way. Now, next turn. Nah, not gonna say it. The 4 Magellans, that's kind of an overreach for my opponent to win. It's just, he has 2 energy. What does he do for the rest of the game? I'm going to develop 2 things, however. I'm gonna do this Missile Sunday. And I'm gonna attack for 6 and 6. So I want to set up a turn where I can just pump everything. Then let him go, and I'm gonna do Ura, and then Kaido, and then we win. Okay, so he does swords, so he does have an answer that doesn't require him to lose everything. Here I just go Ura, and just win on the back of the Ura. That was funny. I'm gonna get giga punished by the Magellan. All right. We're gonna go second. So we need a second Magellan so we can completely stop our opponents from going off. But I think blocker here is good though. They definitely want to go first on this matchup because if they get Magellan, then it is not as bad for them. So we're gonna take the life, see what we get. Ooh, this is really good. See what he does. Attack for 5. He takes it. Okay. That is bad. Then we play the vanishing guy, which is gonna be good. Guess I don't need the 2k, the 1k here. Yeah, because he's gonna attack with a big number. Okay, it's not terrible. Attack this one. I assume he's gonna combo out. Yeah. Use ability, so he has to lose a Dawn. An attack here. Yeah, combos. Okay. Now it is our turn to out combo everything. No! This is horrible. Yeah, no blockers, just combo out. Combo out. Combo out. And now this one is gonna take the life here. So you're not gonna see many of these cards. Okay. He did not want that to happen, eh? Attack here, attack here. Oh, we go here. Oh. We get, yeah, this one is fine. Because then he prevents Mom next turn. Then let him go. Should be fine. I did enough, I guess. Now we can just let it die. Yeah, take it. Ooh, double. It's a double. Use it to remove one. And I guess I can use the second one. Why not, right? Use it to remove another one. Attack this one. Yeah, okay. We have 2 queens, so that should be good enough, I think. He has been comboing out of everything, so it is okay for us. So he doesn't get to play Big Mom. He has 1 Big Mom there. That one dies, of course. I think we can discard one of the Missile Sundays here. We take... Ooh! Oh, this is huge! Yes! That Kaido is was gonna give me the game here. Because now we got 3 attacks here. Oh my god, that was huge! Kaido came clutch there. Now play your Big Mom. I had double queen. I combo this guy. I guess I don't play Missile Sunday this game. Attack for 6. 7, 7, 7. I mean, I guess we lose to a trigger of life for this. I mean, a Thunderbolt out of life. All right, we good. Now the Big Mom doesn't do anything. And next turn, even if he heals, he's dead. No blocker. I'll do 5. Because his best shot was to burn the life and then go for game. But now we get to block and then just attack him for game. Yeah, that Kaido was huge. As you can see, that's why I play Kaido on this deck. It can close the game very quickly. Alright, and we're gonna play against Zoro. And this hand is amazing. Am I going first? No, they're going first. But it still should be fine. Because we got to do Sadi into Zebra into Missile Sunday. And it should be fine, I think. Let's see what we can get here. We can get a 2K Connor. Would not be bad. We already have the Zebra going on anyway. I don't need two because I'm going to play this one and this one. So, yeah, I'm going to get the 2K Connor. I'll take the first one. Ooh, much better. Wait, no. It's whatever. I'll block. I might just do this one, I guess. Attack for 6. Play the Rhino. Now that he's gonna attack with the Zoro, we have to out-combo everything here. Now, for what it's worth, we do have to out-combo everything. Because he's being super aggressive. And the only way to combat that is by comboing early on. Because he's not going to have a hand. And then what he's going to do with his hand is just attack with the creatures that he's got. For like infinite numbers. So early on, I do have to combo out everything here. But we get to ramp here. And if he attacks with the Marco, we get to attack it. Which is very good for us. He's being hyper aggressive for no reason. Now he doesn't have... He's not going to see this life at all. And, hold on. Sure, I'll take it. So now we do get to do this. This one, use action. Make him lose 1 life here. Then attack at the this guy. And then attack at this. Oh wait, no. Oh, that's not okay. We attack at this guy. And then we play this one to get a 2K Connor ideally, but I guess I'll take a blocker. He doesn't know what this card does. And here. I guess I'll have to take that one. Yeah. One, two, three. I think I have to combo out of that one. Then we have... Okay, Kaido is good, I think. Yeah, Kaido is good because it removes everything. This one, it attacks this one. It attacks this one. It attacks this one. And then next turn we'll go for game. Because he doesn't have anything. And then next turn we'll definitely just go for game. And then we'll go 7. Actually, I should have done... Oh. 5. Okay. 5. 5. 7. And 10. I mean, it was annoying because he had too many early creatures, and I misplay and I attacked the wrong one on one turn. But yeah, this matchup shouldn't be that bad because we have a lot of early like combat pressure back to them. This opponent was just ignoring my board, which is not correct always. When they ignore your board, you have to combo out of every attack. That's how you have to do it when you play against Zoro. Right, and we're gonna play versus Flamingo. I think this is all right. Let me think. Yeah, I mean, let him go. We have Sadi into Magellan into Nico Robin now. So I like it. Attack for 5, see if he takes. We play Koala. We are aggressive as we can. Hopefully he attacks us here. We'll take it. He only plays a Nami, which is fine. Not the biggest deal. Now we're gonna play Magellan. This make him lose a Dawn. Now the 10-drop is not gonna be a worry for another turn or so. So it should be fine. Here, hopefully he doesn't have Pong Gibson to tap one of my guys. Because I don't want to attack with them this turn. I want to receive one more attack from the Flamingo player. But if he Pong Gibsons this one and then attacks it, then it's fine, because then this one ramps. And it should be okay. As a matter of fact, I could. No, let him go. We don't have to attack this turn. I want to attack the Nami more than anything. And he attacked me twice. Okay, that's all I wanted. Now, next turn he plays Luffy, I assume. But we're getting close to Kaido if we draw it. Yep, take it. Ooh, Zebra is good too. Did he combo 2 cards? Oh, he did. Wow. Alright. We have all that we need. Now we just have to attack with everything. We played Robin. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Next turn is gonna be actually amazing. I'm gonna attack 6 here. I mean 5 here. And then double 6s, because he comboed 2 cards. He's not gonna be able to defend this Nami for long. Whatever, we'll attack the leader then. You don't have 2Ks, you just combo 2 cards. I know you don't have 2Ks. I guess the Nami can search the 2Ks. But did she? No, she played an Ura. Yeah. So combo 2 2Ks, exactly. It's like, okay. Thank you for comboing your spider web on that one. And I'm gonna protect my guy because I'm gonna play Ura. Because he doesn't have 2Ks, Ura is gonna be amazing. He didn't even play anything. Oh my god. Alright, well. I'll attack here. And if he wants to give me his whole hand trying to protect his Namis, I am okay with that. I would know, but what do I know? And yeah, my opponent is admiring the deck. I mean, yeah, it's the idea of the deck completely here. Okay, so he does Punk Gibson. But now we get to abuse the Namis. I mean, he does get to block here, for what it's worth. This is the one free block that he's got. Or he has to pitch 2 cards again. And sorry, doing some this is some self-promotion I'm doing right now. Now again, I just don't know anything that's gonna happen. He doesn't have any 2K counters, so it's gonna be very difficult for him to come back. Although I don't have much counter power for what it's worth. I have only 3, but I don't want to give out my queen. All right, and we're going first. We have a decent curve, so we're gonna end the turn. And actually, we have a really decent curve. We could play Sati and then play a Minotaur, but I don't think it's worth it. I just play the Minotaurs, that's it. She doesn't do much in this matchup. It's not a matchup where I need to be aggressive. I just need to be efficient. Oh, and we're playing the Luffy, eh? Did you find something with that one? Oh, a Barto, a 5K. That's fine. Now we could play Mini Zebra. It's not bad, but I'll play the 5K. I have too many of them in hand, so I have to get rid of them in my hand. And I could do like a double drop the following turn. Yeah, I like that. Sure, I'll take 1 damage. Oh, no. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. That would have messed my curve. Oh, hell then. Attack 5, attack 5. Hopefully he attacks my rhinos so I can, Sabo is really good on this deck for what it's worth. Also, how did he play this one? What is the door? Okay. Well, I guess I don't have to attack with this one now, because he took the damage. Now I do need a Kaido ASAP. But I'm going to combo to this one because I don't know how much he's going to attack with for this. Okay. He can do the ability. I get to draw 2, discard 1. Okay, I guess that's gonna be my play. I don't need the Missile Sunday anymore. We have ramp already. Let's see what he does if he blocks. Okay, well, let's destroy one of the opponent's energy. And get rid of this guy because it's going to be annoying for the rest of the game. Or I could just attack it for 6. I mean, if he defends it, that's fine. I'm going to play the Minotaur because he's winning on board and I have to start contesting him that way. Now, again, I desperately need a Kaido because It is getting difficult to outvalue this. Yeah, that's fine. I might have to combo out here. That'll be really bad. But then I have Judgment to pull me back up. It's not good, but it's not terrible. But protecting the Missile Sunday is going to be way too difficult. So I might have to let her die. You know what? She dies. I don't. She's just. It's gonna be difficult. Although I have to combo out of a card. I forgot that he might be playing the A drop. So it was actually a good idea to out combo there. I don't think I'm gonna play Sadi. Now we have the Judgment. He plays double blocker here, which is okay because I was gonna only poke. That's it. I played a blocker here. That's fine. I guess he can block and get the 6-drop back into the board. That's not a problem. I think I'm gonna play a Khalifa. However, okay, that works. No, it doesn't matter, but the Kaku is more annoying because this one, he can get it back with another Buleno. I guess I could have attacked for a little bit more. But it doesn't matter because he had that. And then now I do Mini Koala. No, I think this one is better in this scenario because I'm going to do Judgment. And then I'm gonna do I'm gonna be able to attack the life, and he's gonna have to combo out of this one too, or I'll just get to banish one life for free. Either way, I'm good with that. Although I did want to play Khalifa for what it's worth. Now, if he dies, that's okay, because I get to see more cards, and maybe I see my Kaido. Or I can see Ura. Ura would be good too. Now, I do have to be careful because of the A drop. I cannot just let it die. Yeah, I have to be careful. But this is good because now he is going to have a hard time going through my Judgment. Now he has to spend energy to attack with Kaku, which I don't think he has. And then from there, he's going to have to attack my board. Because he wants to develop the A-drop. I 100% assure it. And that's why we played the Zebra, because I knew something like this could happen. He plays Kaku, which destroys the Rhino. Allows me to draw 2 cards, however, which is good for us. I don't assume he's gonna attack with this one. But Kaido right now would be savior of the saviors. Yes. There you go. Please attack with this one too, so I can destroy you next turn. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. He just plays another blocker. It's fine. I was gonna poke anyway. Okay. Poke. He took it? Okay. And then 7 and 7. So he has to block those. Let him go. Now he has to deal with this one, which is not an easy task. My board's still very good. I don't think he knew that this card has Vanish. But I'll take it. Now the blocker is annoying, but it's fine. Shouldn't be that big of an issue. He could also KO the Kaido, by the way. He just goes all in, attack, on top, attack. Which, hey, respect. That's what you gotta do. It is not as simple of a solution. I think, I mean, there's multiple things that he can do, but playing the A-drop is not gonna be an easy task for him. I'll let it die. I get to ramp for free. It's fine. If he wants to untap, that's okay too. As long as he doesn't have a board, I am okay in this matchup. He did restand it though. And... okay. He could play the Luffy now, I guess. I don't have an easy way to deal with Luffy. Luffy could be really good against this deck. If he had it, he probably should have. Sure, I'll let it die. We'll attack with this one, use action. And then attack with this one into the leader, I guess. Because that way he has to waste more cards, so he has to block. Putting himself to 0 is not a good idea. I mean, he can still block this one. It doesn't matter. Ah, he goes to 0. Well, force him to block this one, I guess. He can block with Bleno for what it's worth. He could also would have been able to play whatever the name is, the blocker that can die. Could have been good too. Okay, my opponent attacks. How many energies? 7? I mean, I don't need to take it, so I'm gonna do this one on this one on this one. If he wants to attack me, he has to spend more. He's playing a 1-drop. And the next turn we attack for big numbers on all the attacks that I have. And he better have it. Could combo out of this one. Yeah, why not? There's no reason not to, because he's gonna be forced to go for game next turn, regardless of what he does. And if I combo out of the easy attacks right now, then he won't be able to go for game. So I'm gonna 9, 9, 11. Well, if you had to block that one. Oh, okay. With this one, he gets to cycle. Bad cards that he cannot combo. Is this not leader locked? It is not. Interesting. But he didn't have any Dressrosas on board. All right, I had a blast playing this deck, and definitely one the favorite deck that I built so far in this format, and I really want to keep trying it. I'm gonna bring it to locals. I'm gonna play with this one. It was an absolutely blast to play with it. I can see how it could have a difficult blue matchup, if anything. But I mean, it's fine. It's still fun and enough for me to consider the deck a really good option. But with that being said, thank you all for watching and have a good day.